for the technical glitch. Now we were discussing our partner's current account. Here you can see in the given question partner's current account balance was not given, so balance BD is nil here. We will not write the balance of partner's capital here. We will need the balance of partner's current account, but the opening balance of partner's current account was not given in the question, so it is nil here. Please note, we will not write the balance of partner's capital in the partner's current account. Partner's current account balance will be given separately in the question. Since it was not given in this question, so we have not written here. Rest everything is same here: interest on capital, salary, commission and divisible profit. Also interest on drawings and drawings are appearing on the debit side, and we need to make the total of P on the credit side, total of A on the credit side. The same total will be transferred here on the debit side, and from this we'll deduct the amount that is appearing in the column of P and A respectively, and then we'll get the balance CD. This balance CD is the balance of current account. This is the closing balance of the partner's current account. Please be careful when we prepare capital accounts on fixed capital basis. We need to prepare both the accounts, partner's capital account and partner's current account. Here I have not prepared PL appropriation account, since PL appropriation account is same as fluctuating capital. Also note, in your exams or any test, you don't need to prepare both for the same question. Either you will prepare fixed capital method or you will prepare through the fluctuating capital method. When we follow the fluctuating capital method, we prepare profit and loss appropriation account and partner's capital account. When we follow fixed capital method, we need to prepare profit and loss appropriation account, partner's capital account and partner's current account. Profit and loss appropriation account remains same in both the cases, whether you are preparing through fluctuating capital or you are preparing through fixed capital. Profit and loss appropriation account will remain same, just the difference is on capital account. In fluctuating we have only capital account, in fixed we have both capital account and current account. When we prepare both capital account and current account, nothing will appear in capital account except the balance BD and the balance CD. That will remain unchanged. The same amount will be balance CD and the same amount will be the balance CD also. Rest everything will be appearing in the partner's current account. The format of partner's current account is also the same as partner's capital account. Just the balance BD of partner's current account will be given in the question. If it is not given in the question, then leave it blank as I have left. Just you write balance BD and don't write any amount over there. Rest everything what is written in the partner's capital account will appear in the partner's current account as it is appearing here, and then you will find the balance CD. And in this way the question is over with partner's fixed capital account method also. Now I have already provided the solution of this question in the group. Here just I want to discuss it once. On the point of interest on loan, interest on loan was provided by A to the firm. Please note, loan was provided by A to the firm, not from the firm to A. So A has provided the loan to the firm, so A will be getting interest on that loan. Since the firm will pay the interest to A, it is an income for A and an expense for the firm. Since it is expense for the firm, so it is appearing on the debit side of the profit and loss appropriation account. As while providing interest on capital, while providing salary, while providing commission, these all are expenses of the firm. Similarly, interest on loan when provided by the firm is also an expense for the firm, so it will be written on the debit side. Since the amount of loan was 1 lakh and the rate of interest was 9%. Now again you might get confused that interest on loan cannot be provided with more than 6% per annum, but it was in the case when there is no partnership deed. When there is no partnership deed, then interest on loan can be provided at the rate of maximum 6%, but when they have partnership deed, any amount of interest on loan can be provided. So here in this question 9% is the rate. Also one thing to be noted is the loan was provided on 1st January 2013. Since the loan was provided on 1st January 2013, so the time period for the loan is January, February and March. Only 3 months time is remaining in this accounting year for the loan amount. So we'll calculate the interest only for 3 months. So 1 lakh into 9% into 3 by 12 gives us 2250. Also, this interest on loan amount will not appear either in partner's capital or current account. Neither in partner's capital nor in partner's current. This interest on loan amount will be transferred to partner's loan account. We have not prepared partner's loan account as it was not asked in the question. If it is asked in the question, we need to prepare it. I will show in the next video how to prepare partner's loan account. And there in the partner's loan account, this interest on loan will be transferred. It will be not shown in partner's capital account or partner's current account. I repeat, it will just be appeared in PL appropriation account, and interest on loan will never be shown in partner's current account or partner's capital account. It will be transferred to partner's loan account. And how to prepare partner's loan account, that I will be showing you in the next video. Till then, thank you very much. And if you have any queries regarding this, you can send me personally on WhatsApp. Thank you very much and bye.